So we just parked up here at Sawyers Valley, and we're just going to head up to the Mundaring Powerline tracks. Never been there before. A little bit of a challenge for these buggies. Be there in a couple of minutes. Okay, we're here. Well, that wasn't far. We parked about 500 metres away. We just parked up here where the red arrow is on Cole Road. And we made our way through the tracks back up to Tank Hill Road where the big water tanks are. That's the start of the four-wheel drive track. Just getting Nav to tighten up the seat belts and get ready to take on some of these hills. My gear stick on this thing's so loose I can't tell where it is. Alright, floor low. We're going down the first hill of Powerline. And it is bloody steep. I've got Naf with me today. He's in the 900 Polaris. It's a little bit more capable vehicle than this one. Take this line up the side. We'll ride this bank. Awesome. Whoa. We'll take you on the first 4 or 5 kilometres of the track. The first downhill wasn't too bad. There was a few rock ledges, but I mainly stuck to the outside. As you get about halfway down, it gets a little bit easier. Then there's a few hundred metres of just gravel before we go up the first hill. The first hill's not too bad at all. There's some gravel spots that are loose, and then also some of the rocks exposed, so which is good for traction. Once you get to the top of the second hill, it's a fairly long slope down to the base of the third hill. The third hill's definitely the challenging one, so we'll see you there.
Want me to go up there?
We'll go up and take a closer look anyway.
You don't want to stop in the hill and start it.
Definitely not. Okay, this is the third hill Powerlines track, and I'm going to go through this section on the right and just go behind those first set of trees and see if I can sneak up that way. Got myself in a predicament.
What do you reckon?
Alright, I don't want to do that again. Luckily I'm strapped in pretty good. Oh shit, I've done it again. We're alright. Whoa, shit. All good, all good. Losing a bit of traction. All rock crawling through this section. This is the first part where you can really see the gradient of the hill. If you look at the power poles to the left, they're straight up and down, and you can still see we have a fair bit to go on the incline. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out this next section.
Looks like better than before.
Okay, so I think I'm going to try to stay on that plateau, then turn right.
I don't think you might. You just go on this one again.
Okay. I'm going that way.
What are we thinking?
That's way too rocky. That's just too much.
Too deep. Too deep.
This way, I think's the best. Do you straight across there? All right, let me try to go through there. Whoa. That's a wrap for today's ride at Mundaring Powerlines track. Depending on what vehicle you have, the track takes about 5 or so hours to finish. I'm sure there's a lot more difficult sections the further along you go. I think I'll come back and we will start off where we finished today. Now that I have a bit more confidence, I'll try not to drag my feet next time and just get it done.